Neomek's RTV molding department produces production quality parts without the cost of hard tooling. RTV molding, also known as urethane casting, allows us to produce parts in a wide variety of high-performance materials. RTV molding is ideal for producing quantities from 1 to 500 parts. Parts can also be painted, plated, and screen printed. Our process bridges the gap between 3D printing and injection molding. Our process starts out with 3D printing and finishing an SLA master part. A silicone mold is made from the finished master. We are capable of producing parts from a few millimeters in size up to nearly 2 meters. This mold can be used to make up to 25 production quality cast parts in the required material. Parts can be cast in any durometer, surface finish, color, and translucency. Similar to injection molding, RTV molding allows for insert molding and overmolding. Neomek combines master craftsmen with the latest 3D printing technologies to produce parts with unparalleled quality and speed. Our flexible materials range from soft gels to firm rubbers. Our rigid materials simulate a wide variety of thermoplastic products, such as polypropylene, high-density polyethylene, ABS, and polycarbonate. To get a quote on RTV molding, 3D scanning, or 3D printing, use the Get a Quote button on our website at www.neomek.com. Thank you.